So let's begin. Okay, so for today's topic, our outline is here, introduction of common defects and solutions. For today's common defects, because limitation of times, we only mention these defects such as weld line, air trap, burn mark, sink mark, and stress mark. And in the end, we have practical cases for everyone to enhance your confidence of our Moldex3D. Okay, so the first page is introduction of common defects and solutions. The first one would be weld line. Okay, and here are the several defects we're facing in injection molding industries, such as short shot, burning, weld line, sink mark, warpage, and peeling, which these defects will involve in aesthetic, strength, and dimensional accuracy. But because limitation of time, we only focus on aesthetic defects. Maybe I can use this one. Okay. And for aesthetic, we are facing this problem: splay, void, fiber floating, flash, whiten, haziness, burn mark, gate blush, ejecting mark, and jetting. And I already mentioned that we only focus on void, air trap, weld lines such as these defects, and we will give you why they cause these defects and the solutions in Moldex3D. So how can Moldex3D help for these defects? The first part would be aesthetic part. We can find in Moldex3D we have a lot of resource items which will contain air trap, weld line, sink mark displacement, and stress mark. As for stress mark, I will introduce later because it's induced by the flow induced and uneven shrinkage induced. So there will be several results can indicate why we cause the stress mark. And for the warpage, we will have more temperature difference results, volumetric shrinkage, displacement, more temperature difference, and volumetric shrinkage. Okay.